Hi, this is Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors with this week's edition of Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. Are you thinking about flipping homes? It can be profitable, but in today's market, you've got to be smart going in. First, buy right. Your profit is made at the purchase, not the sale. Make sure that there's enough margin after repairs, holding costs, and commissions. Second, know your numbers. Factor in everything: materials, labor, permits, taxes, insurance, and financing costs. And always build in a cushion because surprises will happen. And speaking of financing, you may hear about hard money lenders. These are short-term loans designed specifically for investors. They can be a great tool because they're fast and they're flexible. But they do come with some higher interest rates and fees, so you need to make sure the deal still makes sense. I actually heard a hard money lender speak at our recent meeting, and it was really helpful to better understand how these loans work and when they make sense. Third, don't over-improve. Renovate for the neighborhood, not making it into your dream home. The nicest house on the block isn't always the most profitable. Next, pay attention to the days on the market in the neighborhood. The longer you hold it, the more it costs you. And finally, have a strong team. A reliable contractor, lender, and real estate agent can make or break your flip. Flipping can be a great opportunity, but it's not a gamble, it's actually a strategy. If you're thinking about trying your first flip, Travis and I would love to help you run the numbers and find the right property. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. This is Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you. And please, if you have any friends or family that we could help make a move, pass along our information. We promise to work hard for them too. Thanks again for listening.